5 actions which will lead to more confident decisions. Decision-making can be challenging. It's especially true if you're not feeling confident about the whole decision-making process. After all, you want to be able to choose actions that are productive and wise. But how are you supposed to trust in the inevitability of whatever you decide? You're golden. The goal here is to increase your confidence to where you have unwavering self-belief. Believe it or not, there are several actions you can use to make this happen. Keep a journal. Sometimes all we need is a tangible reminder about how the decisions we've made in the past have turned out. A journal is a perfect solution to this. By chronicling our previous successes, we're reminded of how often we've done the right thing at the right time. Practice mindfulness. Many times when we're questioning our decisions, it's because we're living in the past, focusing on previous disasters, or worrying about the future and whether the outcome will be right or wrong. Mindfulness puts you back in the moment. By focusing on what you know you need right now and the course of action right in front of you, you'll find it easier to choose what to do next and feel more confident about the decision you just made. Get a reality check. When you doubt your decisions, sometimes it helps to talk to a close friend or relative and ask them about the decisions you've made. It could be you don't see the situation for what it is. Worse, you might be lacking a clear vision of the outcome of past decisions and are blind to your success. Sometimes it takes someone who's on the outside of the problem to point out what you're missing. Learn. Even if you're having difficulty deciding at all, it might be because you lack information. Explore the options, understand the full extent of the problem, or even go hunting for what you might be missing to give yourself the knowledge you need to move forward. You'll find you have a lot more confidence when you have a clearer idea of the situation. Talk to yourself. Sometimes your difficulty in feeling good about your decisions comes from sabotaging yourself through negative self-talk. It's impossible to feel good about a decision when you're running yourself down about it. Try consciously reining in negativity and reworking your internal dialogue toward encouragement and positivity. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. If you're struggling with unwavering self-belief, you're going to need to be attentive to how you're thinking about your decisions, and more importantly, how you're responding to them. Take heart. It gets easier the more you do it. Soon you'll be confident your next action will always be the right one.